Hi, my name is Memi Kalombai. I'm a registered psychotherapist qualifying, and today I'm going to be talking to you about deep breathing exercises. These exercises are very important. They help you lowering your blood pressure as well as your heart rate, and they can also reduce the stress levels in your body. So, step one, focusing on your inhale. You want to fill your lungs with air, and as you're doing that, as you're doing your inhale, you want to lift your shoulders all the way to your ears. So once you're here, you want to hold for about 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're exhaling through the mouth and pushing your shoulders back. And then lowering them. Okay? Pretty easy. Let's do it again. While you're doing these exercises, you want to make sure that your feet are flat on the ground, you're comfortable as much as possible. You could have your eyes open or your eyes closed, depending on your comfort level. And you could count up to 10 doing that same inhale, exhale exercise. I hope this was informative. Enjoy the rest of the conference. Bye.